Hi friends, this is Vijayanandana. Welcome to our online classes. So we have discussed last class what is living things and what is non-living things. So I gave definition and examples which are living and non-living things. The living things which needs water, food, air to live and grow. The non-living things it doesn't need any kinds of food, water, air to live and grow. So main important fact is living things is it can move one place to another place, but in non-living things it cannot move from one place to another place. So this is very important point of living things and this is for non-living things, because a living things can move one place to another place. So if it is a place, a person can move one place to another place, okay? But in non-living things it cannot move one place to another place. So these all things we have discussed last class. Now I will give more example of it. So for example, for living things, human beings. Human beings means all peoples. We are the human beings, all animals. Whatever you are observing around us, animals. So these are all animals and birds, etc. and plants. So these all are the comes under living things. Yes or no? It comes under living things. For example, human beings, all people are coming under the living things because they need food, water to grow. How we are eating food, drinking water, and going one place to another place. So these are the living things. For example, all people are comes under living things. For example, all people means you are the children, you are also comes under human beings. I also comes under human beings. Your parents, all people, whatever you are observing in your society, all people are comes under living things. Yes or no? So animals like tiger, lion, elephant, deer, dog, cat, mouse, deer, koala, monkey, cow, pig. So these all are comes under living things because they need food, water and air to live and grow. After that they will die. Yes. So these all are called living things. Then we will come under birds. Okay. Birds comes under crow, pigeon, peacock. You might have seen that peacock, pigeon and crow also. So these all are comes under living things. Now it comes under plant. Okay. Plant also a living things because plants can plant can grow from small to big. Okay. So a plant is a need water, sunlight to grow. You might have seen in your garden or in your environment, the plants will grow. So these plants comes under living things. So let me show you a plant to you. Look at see here. This is a plant. This is the root, but the plant will grow. Okay, and it is comes under living things because it need water, air, and sunlight or food means minerals and different minerals from soil. It will take and it will grow. So this comes under living things. So a plant is a living things. Okay. So it is also, look at here. These are the different types of plants here. So this is the beetroot. It is also living. It is also living things. It is also another type of plant. It is also living things. So these all are comes under. This is the another plant. It is also a living things. Okay. So different types of plants are. So now student, we will come to our animal. These are the also living things. Okay. Look at here. So these are the living things. This is the sea dog. It is also living things. Yes or no? Now lion. It is also living things. Yes or no? Fish. It is also living things. Monkey. See. It is also living things because they can eat, they can take air, they can grow, they can move one place to another place. So these all animals are comes under living things. Understood? So this is koala. it is also a living things. So these are the different types of animals which are comes under living things. See, you might have seen these pictures in your TV or reality also in different types of zoo. So these animals can move one place to another place, and these are can take food, water and air for their life, for their growth. So these all comes under our living things. Okay. Elephant. You know, you might have seen this elephant every day or sometimes in your environment or society. Someone will take this elephant and come to our village. So these elephants or animals are comes under living things. See, this is the deer. So these all are the living things. Understood? Okay, very good. Now look at here, birds also. So birds also, see here, birds, crow, pigeon, peacock. So these all are also animals because they can move one place to another place. They need water, food, air to grow. Okay, understood everybody? Now we will come to non-living things. I said non-living things cannot move one place to another place. That is, first is car, for example car, bus, train, chair, table, TV, mobile, pen, pencil. Whatever you are observing in your home or in your society, in your environment, which cannot move one place to another place and which does not need any kind of cold water and sunlight to grow. Okay. Now you just compare, if you are in your home, if you are in your market, if you are in this classroom, you just look at around you and observe which are living and non-living things, which does not need any kind of cold water, sunlight, and which need water, cold, sunlight and for growth. Okay. So now in our classroom you can say this is our whiteboard or blackboard. You can say this is I am holding a stick. This is what highlighter, mobile phone. So these all kinds of things are comes under non-living things because it is a stick. Look at it, is a stick. If you will keep for some time, it cannot move one place to another place. It cannot grow. If you will give regularly food, water, and light, sunlight, it cannot grow. How I will keep for one day? After some days, after some year, it will same exactly how you are looking now. Okay. So these all kinds of things come under non-living things. Yes. So car, bus, train. I said a living thing can move one place to another place, but look at here, plant. Plant cannot, is a living thing, but it cannot move one place to another place. But car, bus, train, these are non-living things, but they can move one place to another place. How? Because we are driving the car, bus, train, so that it can go one place to another place. It can move one place to another place. Yes or no? When your parents riding bike, it is coming if you want to go to market. When you want to go to school, your parents dropping every day. So with the help of bus or bike or scooty, so they are riding. Your parents might have, your mother, your father, they are riding the bike or scooty. So that can, with the help of someone, the bike or scooty or train, car can move one place to another place. Yes or no? If it is it is a car, it is a bike, you think it is a bike or city. If you ride, it can move one place to another place. Understood? So these are comes under non-living things. It can move with the help of another someone. Okay, so that it is, but it is non-living things. But plant is a living, but it cannot move one place to another place. So understood everybody? So plants, but plant can grow and die, but it is living things, but it cannot move man-made things. Okay. So I will remove this. So now we will discuss what is natural things. What do you mean by natural? The things which are available in our environment. Okay, the things which are available or found in nature is called natural things. Okay. The things which are found, the things which are found or available, available by nature. Okay, by nature. Okay, it's called natural things. Is called natural okay. So similarly, what is natural things? The things which are found or available by nature is called natural things. By nature means, you look at, by nature means it is God gifted. It is available or easily available by nature. Before many years ago, long years ago, it is available in our nature or in our environment. So these are things we can say natural things. Natural we can say God gifted or God creation. God creation. Okay. Creation means which are God created. Okay. So the things which God created is called nature or God creation. So that once I will repeat, the things which are available or found in nature is called natural things. Some of the examples, can anyone tell me which are natural things? For example, yes, first we come to soil. Okay, plant body. Okay, plant bodies. And soil, sun, moon, night you can see moon. Okay, river, water, rock, and our animal body. Okay, animal bodies, animal bodies, human bodies is called an example of natural things. Okay, see, soil, plant bodies, sun, moon, river, water, rock, animals, human body, and rock, R-O-C-K-S, rocks also. Okay, etc. So these all are things are available by nature. Means God creation. Before long years ago or many years ago, it is available by our nature. So these all things are called natural things. Understood? It is not created by someone. It is not created by someone. Okay? It is not made by man. Okay? Man means like you and me. No one is made anything. Soil, plant body, sun, moon, river, water, rock, animal body, human bodies, and rocks, whatever it may be. These are, we are not made by human beings or men. So these are available by nature. It's God creation. It is not made by man. It is not made by man. Okay, these kinds of things is called natural things. Okay. Understood everybody? Write down in your notebook. Okay. Next we will go now. Again we will go different kinds of objects or things available in our environment or society. So it is comes under natural things. Now we will discuss about man-made things. Man-made things. Okay? Man-made things. Man-made things means the things which are made by man. Okay? The things which are made by man. The things which are made by man. Okay? Man means here I mention people. Okay? Like you or me or another person or human beings. The man, the things which are made by man is called man-made things. Okay? Man-made things. So once again see the things which are made by man is called man-made things. Okay? Not available by nature, not God creation. Okay? Just now example I am telling. See, it is a marker. Is it available by nature? It is available in shopkeeper. How? Because it is made by someone. Like some people made that marker. So it is man-made. It is a stick. Okay? The plant is a God gifted, God creation or natural things. But from plant which are we are making, these are the man-made. Means chair, table, mobile phone, fan, light, water bottle, car, bus, okay, piano. So these all are things are comes under man-made things. Okay? Understood? For example, car, bus, train, pen, pencil, okay, table, aeroplane, chair, okay, ball, electric ball, bat, blackboard, etc. Okay? So these are comes under man-made things because our mobile phone, so these all are things are made by man. So we can say easily it is man-made things. Okay? Because someone, it is made by someone. Some people are making these things. Okay? So we can say it is man-made things. Once again I am repeating, the things which are made by man or people is called man-made things. Okay? It is not available in nature by nature. For example, mobile phone, car, bus, train, pen, pencil, table, aeroplane, chair, ball, electric ball, bat, blackboard, etc. So whatever we are observing our day-to-day life, which are available by nature, so these are called man-made things. Some example I am showing. See, look at this picture. So these are the computer and table is there. So this is the man-made things. Look at mouse. Yes or no? It is harmonium. So this is keyboard. So it is man-made. Okay. So this is also man-made. Gungur. This is also khanjari. It is also man-made. See, this is also cultivator. In tractor they will fit this. They can cultivate their land. So this is also man-made. Okay. So whatever pictures are in your tabla. So whatever picture you are observing now, this is hammer. So these are man-made because it is not. This is the saw, hand saw. We did not find in nature. It is not available by nature. It is made by someone or people. So we can say it is man-made things. Okay, understood everybody? Clear? Thank you. So we have discussed what is man-made and what is natural things. Okay, shortly I will discuss you once again. This is natural. This is man-made. Okay, man-made. Made means making. Okay. What is natural? What is man-made? Okay. Understood? Look at here. Natural and man-made. Tell me one by one examples. Okay, first natural is I said you sun. Okay, moon. Then plant body or plant bodies. Okay, animal bodies. We can reproduce, but we cannot make a plant body exactly. So it is natural things. Okay, it is God creation, not by you. We cannot make another person like me, like you. No one. We are not made by any factories, any industries. So it is made by God creation, but we can reproduce from one person to another person. Okay. Then river, rocks, mountain. Yes or no? Mountain. Then think. More example you think. Man-made first we are using pen. This is man-made pencil. Then table, chair, water bottle, TV. Yes or no? Mobile. Anyone? Fan, ball, bat, or anything else? Think, deeply think and tell me. Any other? Yes? Car, bus, train, aeroplane. So these all are comes under etc. Comes under man-made things and natural things. Understood? Yes. Can anyone tell me all non-living things are man-made? All non-living things are man-made, either man-made or natural. One question I am telling, it is very all non-living things are either man-made or natural. Who will say? Who will reply me? All, read carefully. All non-living things are either man-made or natural. I am using the word either. Okay. Again I am using the all non-living things. These are the all non-living things you think. Just before I say we discuss non-living things. So all we relate all non-living things are either man-made or natural. Think. Yes, some of their example is there. The natural non-living things, but they are natural. All non-living things are either man-made or natural. Some non-living things can natural. Non-living things, non-living thing. Some. I am using some. Some means not all. Okay. Some non-living things are natural. Okay. Not by man. For example, I am telling see. I said rocks. What? Here rocks, mountains. Okay. They are natural but non-living. Okay. A rock, one mountain cannot move one place to another place. So it is rock. It is a example of this non-living things, but it is natural. Okay. But we know the all natural things are what related, which are living things are non-living things are natural. But here all non-living things are either it is a non-living thing, but it is comes under natural. Okay, that is example rock. Okay, it is a natural but non-living things. Okay, natural but non-living things. Okay, see, rock is a non-living thing, but it is either man-made or natural. It is a natural but non-living. Okay, understood? Any doubt? Now more like this thing which are natural but either man-made or natural but non-living things. Okay, or which are the non-living things but it may be man-made or natural things. Okay, so this is the one example of rock. Now you think more example which are non-living or natural. Okay. So thank you students. Study well. Read the books properly. Where you will get any doubt, confusion, ask me through my comment box. Okay. Study well. Write all the notes on in your notebook. Study well. So thank you students. Thank you.